Hey guys, probably you know how much of an AI enthusiast I am. And if you've been following my channel or if you just visited right now, you can see for yourself how much videos I made based on AI suggestions or actual AI strategies. Nowadays, I'm crazy about this Bybit Trade GPT because it's literally giving me everything on real market data. Although it's based on ChatGPT 3.5, but it's giving you real-time data. How crazy is that? So I just took the benefit and asked it to give me a suggestion for a really nice trading strategy. I needed to modify it myself, and here I am. All right, let's get started with some trading on TradingView. You can choose any chart and time frame you prefer for your trade. Now head over to the indicator section and type in FDI Adaptive Super Trend with loading levels in the search bar to add the indicator to your chart. Now before we start using this indicator as a trading tool, it's essential to optimize the settings. Go to the indicator setting and adjust them to find the best values, similar to what's shown in the video. Great. Thank you for doing that. Okay, now that we've optimized the indicator settings, keep an eye out for the letters L and S. Of course, L stands for long and S stands for short, appearing above or below the candles for trade signals. For example, in this chart, we see an L appear, and entering a buy here could have led us to some amazing profits. On the flip side, if you see that S letter above the candle, that's a sell signal, suggesting a profit on a short trade. For instance, in this chart, the S appears, and entering a sell here could have resulted in another nice gain. This strategy works well on various charts and time frames. Now let's add the squeeze momentum indicator by Lazy Bear. Thanks to him, by the way. This is an amazing one. Once added, optimize the settings just like in the Thank you for doing that. Now that we've fine-tuned the squeeze momentum settings, we can use it to confirm the validity of trades. A buy signal is considered when the squeeze momentum area is green and above the zero line, simultaneously with the L appearing on the chart. Likewise, a sell signal is valid if the squeeze momentum area is red and below the zero line, when the S pops up. Let's look at some examples to see the squeeze momentum helps filter out bad signals. In some cases, an L appears for a buy signal, but if the squeeze momentum area is red, we reject the signal because the indicators don't align. In the next example, we get an S for sell signal, and this is confirmed by the red squeeze momentum area, allowing us to make a profitable trade. Conversely, an L appears in another example, but it's rightly rejected because the squeeze momentum is green, saving us from a losing trade. Finally, a valid sell signal is confirmed and a profitable trade is made. As you can see, this strategy accurately distinguishes profitable signals from bad ones by requiring agreement between the indicators. But there is still one more step. Before talking about all of this, did you know about this official Bybit giveaway airdrop campaign exclusively tailored for income nomad subscribers? Yeah, you do now. I don't want to waste your time more with that. Previously, I made a video about it. Hurry up, it's a limited time /participants offer, so make sure do not miss it. Watch that video, the link is above here and down in the description. Let's add the 10-in-1 different moving averages indicator to enhance our confirmation and precision. Set up the different moving averages indicator setting exactly as shown. With these optimized settings, we can use the moving averages to confirm overall market trend direction. When the price is above all the moving averages, indicating an uptrend, only take buy signals. When the price is below all the moving averages, signaling a downtrend, only take sell signals. This ensures you're never trading against the prevailing trend. Additionally, if the price is mixed and frequently crossing over the moving averages, it's best to avoid entering trades. When the moving averages are tangled together and crossing over, it suggests a choppy, range-bound market without a clear direction. Now that we have all the tools in place, let's go over the trading rules. First, the guidelines for long trades. To enter a long trade, wait for a buy signal, and then ensure the closing price of the signal candle is above all the moving averages, confirming the uptrend. Also, make sure the squeeze momentum area approves the signal. Only when all these conditions are met, you should enter the long trade. After entering, place your stop loss below the bottom moving average, or let's say 100 band, and set your profit target at 1 times the stop loss amount for taking profits. Or if the stop loss seems to be too far away, you can find the most recent swing low to set your stop loss there. But don't go anywhere, because just before the end of the video, I will show you how to push your profit factor to the limit and take the most out of the market. Now, for short trades, patiently wait for a sell signal to appear. Check that the closing price of the signal candle is positioned under all the moving averages, confirming a downtrend. Again, ensure the squeeze momentum area confirms the signal. When all these criteria align, you can execute the short trade. After entering the short trade, set your stop loss above the top moving average or the 100 band, or if it's too far away, just put it above the most recent swing high and your profit target at 1 times your stop loss amount. At the end of the day, we want money, and this is a money printing strategy. So give it a try. But before that, make sure to backtest/forward test it. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it. Or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USD and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci resistance levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. That's a wrap for this video, and if you're looking for a comprehensive trading strategy to profit in the financial markets, I highly recommend checking this playlist here and you will find plenty of them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.